In this video, I would like to share the different types of meditation. There are 4 types of different meditation. The first is body meditation. You concentrate on your body. The second is the mind meditation. You concentrate on your mind. And the third is the emotional meditation. You concentrate on your emotion to release them, to make them in order. And the fourth is called wisdom meditation. To understand and to live the universal principle in our body and how to integrate all those wisdom in our daily life. Let me explain all this in details. Of course, these 4 different types of meditation, I classify myself according to my own experiences and also learning different types of healing modality. Through all these experiences, I have created Matari Guided Meditation, which include all 4 types of different meditation. We'll be focusing on our body at the beginning, then later we go to the mind, and then I combine with the mind and body. And later on, I also go to the emotion. I also combine with mind, emotion, and the body. And at last, after releasing all this mind, body, and emotion, you get into the center of your knowingness to the wisdom, and we practice our wisdom meditation. So Matari meditation techniques is the combination of all 4 types of different meditation. With that, I see many people transform beyond their imagination within a short period of time. I also wish that the same for you. Now, keep on watching all these 4 different types of guided meditation, and of course, do the lesson accordingly so that you understand what I try to explain to you. Have fun.